Hello everyone. My name is Naira Thakur. I am studying in grade 3.
And my name is Saloni Thakur. I am Naira's mother. Famous scientists like Albert Einstein and Thomas Edison have made big inventions after doing so many small experiments.
In our daily life, we are going through many small experiments which we are not noticing. In this video, I am showing a simple experiment which we experience in our daily life. So our experiment is swirling paper. This is a basic principle. For this, first we need a clay, candle, stick, paper and a scissor. First draw a swirl on the paper and cut it out. I have already made a cutout of a swirl. It looks like this. Let me take a clay and a stick and keep it like this. And take the swirl and place it like this. Take a candle and place it like this. Wow! Is it in good?
Yes, it is looking very wonderful. So Naira, could you please explain everyone why it is spinning?
The warm air rises upwards.
Yes.
And the cool dense air goes down. The warm air which rises upwards also pushes the swirl along with it. Thus, it causes the swirl to spin around. Hope you like it. Thank you.